Let's fix it. The first step, you need to log out the Minecraft launcher. Log out it. In the next step, search for run. Type the following text percentage app data percentage and click OK. Click the Minecraft folder. Scroll down and click log folder. Delete the files inside the log. Come back. Delete the web cache folder. Once complete, after close it. In the next step, click settings. Click app settings. Click installed app. Scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side. Click advanced option. Scroll down and search for repair and reset. Once complete, after close it. In the next step, search for CMD. Right click. Click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space // DNS. Click enter. ipconfig space / release. Click enter. ipconfig space / renew. Click enter. Netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. Netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter and at last exit it. Once complete, after restart it. Thank you.